lang, nagigising. Tignan nyo, may dumating dito. Dumating din naantay ko. Ito na. Yung galing na Leos. So, in-order ko to October 9. Ngayon lang dumating. Unbox tayo. Ay. Today is October 12. Na-ship to ng October 9. Pero actually, place ko yung order ng October 7 yata. Sabado. O tama, October 7. Unfulfilled siya noong October 7, then October 8, tapos October 9 lumabas na siya, ship. Tapos ngayon October 12, iniwan na ng LBC sa bintana. Good job LBC, thumbs up. And Lils, thank you for replying dun sa tracking number. By default kasi hindi sinisend ng Lils or hindi nakalagay sa order mo kung andun yung hindi nakalagay sa order mo kung ano yung tracking number ng package mo. Not unless email mo sila dun sa kanilang email address. Alright? So, ito na yung in-order ko. May karera kasi bukas, kailangan ma-unbox natin to. Tamiya. Oops. Yung mga part. Ito yung Abilista Japan Cup 2018. Meron tayong all Tamiya tayo ngayon. Sliding damper set. Some spacers. And since itong ito kasing Abilista, this is MA chassis. So, yung MA chassis, kung makikita nyo dito, yan, kung makikita nyo, dalawa yung gears. Alright? Dito. So, yung motor andun sa gitna. Ngayon, yung motor na yan, kailangan mahaba yung pinion mo. Normally kasi, sa mga makina or motors ng Tamiya, ang mahaba lang na part is yung dito. Pero dito sa MA chassis, dalawa. Alright? So, ito ay dual shaft motor. This is basic tune-up parts. Alright? This is the basic tune-up parts for MA chassis. Okay, so let's go. Let's unbox this. Maliit tape siya dyan. Okay. Japan Cup Pro Series. Okay. Meron siyang standard stock motor, yung gears niya, and also yung grease connections and some spacers, screws for limited edition Abilista. Parang si Lightning McQueen. Alright, and also standard Tamiya mags, and it comes with this Tamiya Mini 4-wheel drive Japan Cup 2018. This is the white edition limited or MA chassis. The NES chassis parts. Okay, and we have, wow, this is metallic. See? Makintab. Abilista Japan Cup. Alright. And also we've got some safety instructions, the assembly instruction. So it's like almost a decade ago nang huli kong nag-assemble ng Tamiya ni 4-wheel drive. Matagal-tagal to. So I don't know, time lapse na lang ba para Ma-cover natin yung buong video. Okay, so tapos din. Grabe, isang oras ako dito. Yan. So we have now Abilista Japan Cup 2018 at meron tayong MA chassis, tuna parts basic, yung sliding damper saka ko na ikakabit yun, pero ito muna yung basic na setup ko sa Abilista. Alright, so stock motor yung loob, and ang ganda kotse nito. Yan. Wala pa akong battery, hindi pa full charge. Test natin to on the next video. Lagay natin siya sa racetrack. Alright, so again, ito muna yung ating maliit na unboxing about this Tamiya. See you on the next video. Bye now.